Holley's red and blue fuel pumps have been the fuel delivery standard for carbureted engines for decades. And while they're a bit on the loud side, they perform great. With the evolution of fuel pumps, Holley's red and blue pumps have taken a backseat to the capabilities that only an in-tank fuel pump module can deliver. Holley's latest in-tank fuel pump modules are designed specifically for carbureted applications. They are very similar to existing EFI fuel pump modules, also using a 255 liter per hour fuel pump, but these also include a built-in regulator for lower pressures that carburetor applications require. Now you can convert your factory tank or fuel cell to an in-tank fuel system quickly and easily. Holley's fuel tank modules install with basic tools and require no welding or fabrication. The die-cast pump hanger has a unique clamping system that also doubles as a damper to control pump vibration. Once installed, simply hook up your fuel lines and your power source, ground, and you're done. One great feature about this fuel pump module is should you decide to upgrade to EFI down the line, you can upgrade the built-in regulator. The 255 liter per hour pump will supply up to 550 horsepower in an EFI application, so there's no need to swap pumps. A 15 micron pre-filter attaches directly to the fuel pump. Fuel pressure is regulated internally with a built-in regulator and preset at 6 psi, which will support up to 700 carbureted horsepower. No need to plumb in a return line. The return line is handled all inside the tank. Installation is simple and straightforward. We recommend the use of a 30 amp relay and that you use a minimum of 12 gauge wire to supply power to your pump. Holley's in-tank carbureted fuel pump modules are ideal for use with any carbureted vehicle. Upgrade your vehicle and bring it back to the future the easy way, with an in-tank fuel pump module from Holley designed for carburetors. Learn more at holley.com.